Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius air sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius. I want clarification card for Nine of Cups here. Seven of Wands and the Emperor, Magician, Six of Swords for Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Under the decks, Nine of Wands, the Lovers, and Ace of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. Definitely, you are very passionate about this person and you want to be with person forever. You want long-term commitment. You want marriage with this person. But there are some issues. You are guarded up right now, Aquarius. Yeah. But thinking about them a lot. So let's see your reading recent past. Six of Swords, Nine of Cups and Emperor. Clarification card, Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands and the Magician. Definitely there is some waiting game is going between you and your person in recent past. So then you become defensive because you're wishing for this connection a lot, but uh, I think you are taking your power back. Then you are becoming stubborn, but you are manifesting them energetical level. In physical level, you are not making any more. You are defensive because you are fed up with waiting energy, but you are manifesting. Then present, Ten of Cups, Eight of Swords, and Three of Cups, clarifying Six of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. Definitely, you're feeling stuck. You want success in this connection. You want marriage with your person, but it is not happening. That's why you are suffering in silence. You are feeling alone. For some, lots of you are involved in third party situation here. Lot of spying is going. Maybe you are watching them on social media, or they are watching you on social media. And lots of your kids also involved in this connection. And for some, one person is already married with other person and having kids. Then future strength, Queen of Wands and Two of Swords, clarifying Five of Wands, Two of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. Definitely, a lot of drama is going. Maybe your person is always in and out of your life. There is love. Definitely, it's a mutual love, but there is no stability at all. And this relationship is in very, very slow moving energy. And for some, a brand new person is coming into your life, and this person is really serious about you. That's why you are at some crossroads. For some, you have options. You have to make a choice, but you don't know. You are indecisive about making choice. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. You are also feeling stuck. Sorry, they also feeling stuck. And Temperance and Queen of Swords. I think right now they're not talking with you. They're thinking through their logical mind. Yeah, they did hurt you in past. Definitely they played games with you. But they're being very patient and they're stuck on you. So let's see the current feelings and intentions. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire sign. Lot of cards. Flying cards are flying. I'm not taking any of these because so many cards. their current feelings, their intentions. And I want clarification card for Queen of Wands. Yeah. And I want the Moon. So under the deck, Justice, Empress, and Four of Cups and Five of Cups. They're missing you. There is no doubt. Definitely they're missing you. They want to overcome that pain. They are working on their inner strength. But they want second chances with you, Aquarius. So their current feelings, Six of Pentacles, the Moon, and Six of Cups. And the Moon clarification card, Two of Wands. Lots of you're in long distance relationship. I think in past there is no equal give and take, but your person really thinking about equal give and take. You are on their mind 24/7. A lot of issues between you and your person. Definitely they are thinking about you 24/7. For some, your person have options, but they're going to be choose you because their intentions, Two of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and Queen of Wands, clarifying Two of Swords and the World. So some cycles are already ended between you and your person, some going to be begin, but there are some issues. Your person right now is at some crossroads because Two of Pentacles with Two of Swords, they're juggling. Maybe they're juggling between you and their family, you and their career. Definitely they have to choose. Maybe if they have options, but they want reconciliation with you and they're thinking that you are their soulmate. So right now it will take some time, but they want reconciliation with you and they're thinking about you a lot. They want second chances, but right now they're juggling. For some it will take some time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Cards are jumping. Yeah, they want a happy family with you. They really want to offer their cup of love to you. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. They want passionate new beginnings, but right now they're confused. They have options, but they're going to be choose you. But it's up to you to accept or reject because you are guarded up right now. Yeah, you're taking rest, you're healing, and you're going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship. And yes, you do love this person, but there is one type of ending between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, trust issues and missing each other. Definitely there are some trust issues between you and your person. In future also you both missing each other a lot. Yeah, but there will be some good news for both of you. For some there will be happy ending, but it takes so much time because right now you're both missing a lot of issues going, but it will happen anyway. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. I am feeling sad without you. I realized my mistake. I have too much going on my life. And I am very attracted to you. So the messages are, I am feeling sad without you. I am very attracted to you. I realized my mistake. I have too much going on my life. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra, Libra energy. Definitely luck is on your side, especially when full moon in Libra. And you are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message for you. Respect yourself, love yourself, then everything will come into you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.